These are the preview exercises for college algebra, lesson 12. Find an equation of the form y equals mx plus b for each of the three distinct lines in the graph below. So this is just a reminder on how to find the equation of a line. So I've got line 1, line 2, line 3. So line 1, let's see, I'll do line 1 up here. Line 1. I have 2 points. I have the point 0, 2 and the point 20, 8. And to find the equation between 2 points, we start with slope. So the slope is going to be 8 minus 2, which is change in y, divided by 20 minus 0, which is change in x. So this is going to be 6 over 20. And 6 over 20 would reduce to 3 over 10, or 0.3. And then my equation for a line is y equals mx plus b. Y equals 0.3x plus b is the y-intercept, which is where the line crosses the y-axis, which I happen to know is 2. I don't have to do anything to calculate it in this first line because I can see it. Okay, and then line 2, this is a horizontal line. Every point along this line has a y-coordinate of 8. 20, 8, 25, 8, 27, 8, 30, 8. Every point has a y-coordinate of 8. So its equation is very unoriginal. It's y is 8. Y equals 8 always when you're on this line. So that's our equation. And then line 3, again, I have points 30, 8 and 50, 0. So I'm starting with 2 points. And to find the equation of a line, I start with slope. Change in y would be 0 minus 8 over change in x, which is 50 minus 30. So I have negative 8 over 20, and that would be negative 4 over 10, or negative 0.4. And then I have y equals mx plus b. I know the m, negative 0.4. I don't know the b, so I'm going to leave it as a b for now. And to try to figure it out, because I can't tell where this line crosses the y-axis, right? It's going to be somewhere way up here, maybe around 20, maybe even bigger than 20. To figure out what it is, I'm going to use either one of my 2 points and plug them in for x and for y. This is an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. This is an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. So I can replace the x with the x-coordinate and the y with the y-coordinate, and then solve for the b. So let's see, I'm going to use the 30, 8. So replace my y with an 8, negative 0.4 times 30 plus b. Okay, so 0.4 times 30. Well, 0.1 times 30 is 3, and then times 4, 12. So negative 12. So 8 equals negative 12 plus b. Add 12 to both sides, and I get b is 20. So my guess of where this was going to cross the y-axis, just by eyeballing it, it is actually 20. And then I just finally write out the final equation here. Y equals negative 0.4x plus 20.